Snowy afternoon out there, that's for sure. We are dealing with snow falling heavily at times across all of western Mass. In the lower valley, we have noticed some mixing with rain, even a little bit of sleet from time to time. So there's not much actually accumulating. Road surfaces are starting to get a little slushy, though, now that it's been a few hours of this. You can see a little bit of green there across the lower valley, the greater Springfield area into parts of Munson. We got reports of some snow and sleet. Even though the Doppler radar is showing green, which usually indicates rain, it's scanning much higher up in the atmosphere, and it's not always a very clear picture of what's happening at the ground. Just about everybody is dealing with snow out there this afternoon, even us here at our station in Springfield. Now you can see outside of Worcester County and getting down into a good portion of Connecticut, including Hartford, they're all dealing with rain, and it's heavy rain at that. See all the bright yellows and oranges here. That's a pretty steady, heavy rainfall. And for us, we're dealing with that same kind of heavy precip, but it's all snow. So it may pile up to a few inches, especially north of the Springfield area. So we can see this big batch of precip. It's already getting ready to move off the mid-Atlantic coast, and it'll be exiting our area shortly. I would say wrapping up sometime between about 6 and 8 p.m. from west to east. Once we get behind this, skies will partially clear out as we get closer to midnight. That's going to allow temperatures to start dropping back down below freezing. So again, some patchy black ice, slippery roads, frozen slush, all of that could be an issue for any walking or traveling you plan to do tonight or early tomorrow morning. Tuesday morning, we will have some partial sunshine, but we do have a lot of cloud cover around throughout the day. And while this shows kind of a heavier batch of precipitation coming through, I think it'll be more scattered in nature. A few scattered snow showers for the hill towns, some scattered rain showers for the valley tomorrow afternoon and early evening. That's all with a passing warm front. Once that warm front comes through, we're going to go into the nicest day we've had for a while, and that will be happening on Wednesday. So it is cold right now, but temperatures are slightly above freezing in the valley, 35 in Hartford. You can see well above freezing farther to our south and east. Wind right now has actually lightened up, so wind has become calm. It was blustery right at the start of this, but we are expecting a fairly light breeze through the rest of tonight. So that early snow and mix ending, skies turning partly cloudy late with lows in the 20s. And tomorrow, some spotty afternoon rain and snow showers, but high temperatures could approach 40 in the greater Springfield area. Even middle to upper 30s throughout the hill towns tomorrow. So it'll be another round of some wet snow if you do see any that do come through. Once the warm front passes, temperatures will climb to the middle, and even a few upper 40s will be possible on Wednesday. That is definitely one of the nicer days of February. Plus, with high pressure, we'll stay dry and we'll even see some breaks of sun. And then a cold front will pass through, and that will happen Wednesday night. Not really bringing any precip with it, but it is going to knock our temperatures back down. So after tomorrow's rain and snow showers, we're dry Wednesday to Friday. Saturday is our next round of wintry or wet weather, and then for Monday. Right now, Saturday is looking more wet than wintry, actually. A chance for some rain and maybe high elevation snow showers. But as you can see, looking at our daily high temperatures, we get a lot more 40s than we have 30s in this 7-day. And I have not been able to say that since January. Chris and Jordan, back to you.
Sounds good, Janna.